Once the project is set up, it's time to learn about the 2D interface. And in this first class, we are just covering the very basics, and I will start explaining the top menu up to your left here. And what I would like to show you is the file option. So if you click on that, this is the place you go when you want to start a new project, open existing projects, opening recent projects that you have been working on, and the save option. Then I will go all the way over to help. Help is the section you go when you need to know about which license number you have, if you want to check for updates, activate your Ecdesign if currently using a trial, and it's right here, activate Ecdesign, and days left, where you go if you would like to find out how many days you have left on your license subscription. So that is the menu bar, briefly gone through. Then we have the toolbar here, and this is a toolbar where you have quick access to different features in the software and actions, such as new project, open project, save a project, print if you would like to print your 2D drawing, update Ecdesign, undo and redo, for example. So if you just place your mouse over one of the icons, it will tell you what it does. Over here is the blue button 3D. This is the button you click on when you want to view your floor plan in 3D. Then I will go down here to the tab structure. The tab structure is kind of the heart of the 2D interface, and think of it as layers. So when we're building the layout, you'll see that we will use the tab structure to go in between different options of the software, such as building the room or adding objects and so on. So this is the tab structure. Think of it as different layers. In the middle here, the big section is the grid. It's the work area. Here is where we will be when we start dragging out walls, creating rooms, adding equipment, objects, and so on. Up to my right here, we have 4 fields. The top one is currently blank, but it later on can display object names. And in the middle here, we have the X and Y. To my left, you will later on, when building walls, be able to see the angle of walls. The cross in the middle here is the origo, the 0, 0 point, because as you will see, there is a ruler on the top, a ruler on the left side. This icon in the middle, if I zoom in closer to it, is the camera. This camera I can position wherever I want in my floor plan later on. That camera is the starting point when you click on the 3D view button, the blue button up here. So this was just a short introduction to the interface.